Hey everyone, it's Danny here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your toaster. In today's video we are working on this Toastmaster 4-slice toaster, and so let's get started. So first thing you want to do is get access to the bottom of it, flip it over. I already took out the tray, the crumb tray I like to call it. And what you want to look for is the 4 screws on the bottom. So we got 1 here, 2 there, 3 and 4. So what you want to do is take out the screws. So I'm going to do that now, and before I get started I'm going to change the camera angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we go. Here's one of them. That one's loose. So the point of taking these 4 screws out is so I can take off this plate over here, this cover. Filming with one hand, and trying to unscrew it with the other. Try not to lose the screws. Switch hands. There we go. Now the cover should easily come undone. Both sides. Filthy dirty inside. So now you can put it back up like so. And as here, how am I doing it? Just hold it. So what you want to do is take the bottom part. It's a flat screwdriver. Should easily come out. Like so. There you go. So you take the cover off, and now you can gently just clean the toaster. Try not to put water on any of the electrical components, and other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to clean it up, and once I'm done, put the cover back on, put the 4 screws back, and then we are good to go. So the best way to clean these toasters is using compressed gas. In this case, I'm using nitrogen here. So what you want to do is get your nozzle to the toaster and just gently get rid of all the breadcrumbs. And that's all there is to it. So now that you're done cleaning your toaster, you can go ahead. I'm just going to give this a quick rinse. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to put the cover back on, and then I'm ready to sell it. That's it.